boys and girls. Welcome back. What we have today? The first sound in group 2. We have two different sounds that speak the same. They talk the same. Okay, look at the action. Remember in the class? And what's the sound? Castanets. Look, can you see the Spanish dancer? And the Spanish dancer is playing the castanets. Cat. Okay, do you remember the words of the song? Let's sing together. We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. Clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. Kites are flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Well done. Nice singing. Can anyone see something else that starts with the? We have it in our Halloween song. In the hairy scary castle. The castle. The cafe. There's lots of things that starts with the. Let's see how we write it. How do we write the magic fingers? This one is very easy. The curly. Look. Around with your magic finger. Start on the dot. Around. Very easy. The kicking kit is more difficult. We start on the dot. Down. Up. And around, down, up and around. But we don't need to worry about writing that one just yet. Let's have a look at our words. Let's read our word together. What's the first thing we have to do? Count how many sounds are in the word so we know how we're going to read it. Okay, let's count together. 1, 2, 3. How many sounds are in this word? 3. Can we read 3 sounds? Yes, we can. On our arm, remember? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 sounds. Okay, let's start. You have to look at the word and move your hand at the same time. What's the first sound? The new one. Well done, well done. And what about this one? How many sounds are here? 1, 2, 3. This one we all know. Let's go on our arms. At, cat, cat. The cat that was in the picture, remember? The cat in the picture. Well done. Nice singing. See you next time. Bye.